Welcome to Complete Solutions for Maths. Today I am going to discuss one question. It's an MCQ or 1 mark question. The question is, without actual division, find whether the rational number 126 by 6 cube into 35 square has terminating or non-terminating decimal expansion. So this rational number has terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal expansion. For this, you learned a theorem. A rational number x is equal to p by q, where p and q are co-prime. Then the decimal expansion of the rational number is terminating when the q is of the form 2 power m and into 5 power n. I will explain again. X is equal to p by q, where p and q are co-prime, and this rational number has decimal expansion which is terminating, then q is of the form 2 power m and 5 power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. So, terminating decimal expansion is this. Is not in, if q is not in this form, it is not terminating. So you have to check the denominator. One more condition, that p and q are co-prime, that is, there is no common factor. For this, you need to, if the numerator is not a prime number, you have write as product of prime numbers, this numerator and denominator. If this is not a prime number, first you write this as a product of prime numbers. If it is a prime number, no need to change. Here 126. 126 is not a prime number. So you take first write 126 by 6 cube into 35 square. So first you check whether the numerator is prime or not. So here you got it as 126 is not a prime number. So 126 you can write as 2 63 3 21 3 7 1. So the numerator can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, and the denominator 6 cube means you can write as 2 into 3 cube, and the 35 also is not a prime number, so 35 you can write as 7 into 5 the square. So you can write as 2 into 3 square into 7 by 2 cube into 3 cube into 7 square into 5 square. After simplification, you will get 1 by 2 square into 3 into 7 into 5 square. After simplification, you check the denominator. Here only 2 and 5, only the product of 2 and 5. No, there is 3 and 5. So a rational number, the expansion of a rational, the decimal expansion of a rational numbers is terminating if the denominator contains only the power of 2 and power of 5. But here 3 and 5 is there. Therefore, this is not terminating. This rational number has non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay students, so you check you concentrate the numerator and denominator, and if both are prime you simplify and you concentrate on the denominator, and if the denominator is of the form 2 power m into 5 power, that means the denominator contains only the powers of 2 and 5, then you can write as it is terminating, but otherwise you can write as it is non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay, I will explain in Malayalam. This rational number, this decimal expansion, terminating or non-terminating is the theorem. A rational number x is equal to p by q, where p and q are co-prime, if the denominator is of the form q equal to 2 power m into 5 power, and only then this is terminating. So, denominator after simplification, numerator prime number simplify numerator composite number simplify simplify product of prime numbers denominator product of prime numbers after simplification last finally check denominator 2 and 5 power it is terminating, otherwise it is not terminating. Okay students, thank you.